Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So today I'm going to tell you how to activate message on iPhone. If you want to activate iMessage on iPhone, so let's see how can you do this. For this, you just have to follow a simple trick. First, you have to open your phone settings. In settings, just scroll to the end and you will get the apps setting. The app setting is here and it's in update. So just open it and here look for iMessage or Messages app. Here's the Messages app, tap on it, and here you have to activate this setting, which is the activation of iMessage. Just select it and briefly wait for until 1 or 2 seconds when the other option will not receive. Just have to tap on it, and here you have to tap on your Apple account Gmail. For this, for using the messaging service, you just have to make sure that you have a personal Apple account. If you don't have any Apple account, you just have to create when you want. It's for free, and after that, you just have to enable the messaging services as I have enabled. So that's how you can activate message on iPhone. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.